just this really thick density, you can see it. Blend it all, like you see, you know, to me, like what Sarah was saying, it's so if you know where the parts that you want to apply your crystal, and you place them right there. But if you're not sure, like me, I always like do it in that spot, and I really want to add it some more. So even though it's the same with clients, and it doesn't take much, it's blending it nicely on all entire nails. And because sometimes the clients getting into the point they want it, and then they say, oh, is that too late to add some more crystals on? I want the design like this. And then we will say, is that gonna be okay for extra $5 for that, you know, a little bit branch out to dramatics like design? Said no problem. So at least that you don't have the top coat on the top a bit and without condensed glue gel. So I always doing a whole entire nails. That is just my preference, the way I like to do that. So then I always get it covers for the clients, even they change their minds, like want to add it, like, can I add it more crystal? I don't mind to pay extra because I want a little bit more. So it's sure. But if you don't have it, the glue gels underneath, then you might have to apply it again, or maybe you have to wipe it off and do it on, because you don't want to place on the top coat with no condensed glue gels. So, and this one is so stinking cute. What's gonna do with this one? Let me do is one of my beautiful shapes. This is one of my favorites one. I can't help it. It's so super cute. White opal raindrop, perfect drop.
Perfect drop.
Okay, I got it. I'm going back to my cute frame right here. Silver and frame. For my white opal. This is my white opal. And my newest dragon scale. Oh, I like that. Looks different. It's so strong colors, so I can do my you see how I place the dragon scale? It's gonna be really fast if you're doing a similar. If you have some other techniques, I would love to hear that you will share with us. Can't see it from here. I'm gonna pull this one out on just right here on my side. You know, be honest, if you play with all this frame, you will never go wrong with this. Never at all. That was like so super easy to work with. my white opal there. Oops. Maybe pink opal. Yeah, pink opal. I can take the pink dragon scale.
Okay.
And then pink opal. I saw we use right here. Something on my right there. I found it. And we also have yellow. I'm so obsessed with this, like the dragon scale. You can do it's like what I'm doing it right now is on the top of the nails, or you can absolutely encapsulating with your liquid gunpowder or poly gels or yours hard gels. It's really cool though. Aha. Can anyone seeing it? Can you see it? Sorry, I was like focused on this. I didn't know if you've been able to see it. Should move closer. How everyone doing on Wednesday? Such a beautiful day out here. Hope everyone doing great, safe, and oh, I like that one. So super cute. Any questions? Please feel free. Bye, Ray. You leaving us? We'll see you tomorrow, sweetie. Oh, hi, Janae. Vanessa, thanks so much, Janae. All right, I'm just want to try to catch up with everyone. Okay, let me clear this one first, and then some. Oh, thanks so much, Janae. Thank you. And then you can always be watching them on Facebook. I think we're trying to save it so much on Instagram, so then everybody can re-watching them. The team was filming it, so then that's why we have some short clips. You can go on and on about this if you want to. I didn't want to go down like where I have the chamfer foil right here, because it's gonna take away from a beautiful chamfer foil look underneath. So we just want just a little bit of dragon scale right there. That's all. You can dress them up dramatically if you would like to. I would love to do more, but it's like, okay, Nancy, wait. Ah, something is dropping now. Drop something on that one. It's cute. She said, wait a minute, I want to join it. Okay, I'm gonna let you in there. I'm gonna pick one more and then we here. I just love this cute frame. They have so many in there. Right here, right here. I found it. Right there. You know, go wrong with this. Wait, that's it. And one more. I can't wait because tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of cool content to share with you ladies as well. Alright, I think I'm good because otherwise I'll keep going. Maybe one more. So wherever you see your crystals, your dragon scales are connect together, it's the best to place your beads in there, so then it keep them connected and then it keep them looks really nice, more dramatics, more complete. But you know, like some clients, they don't want any beads on it, which is only one solid crystal, which is great. You just place exactly what I share with you and just gear it. You don't have to add any beads on it because it's depend on the client's preference. I wouldn't like the beads on too, but doesn't mean that the clients, they all like it, you know. So really nice. I like that. We're here for 60 seconds.